right, everybody, time to go for a cruise. Today is 1969 Camaro. This thing has got a beautiful rotisserie restoration on it. It looks absolutely stunning. It's got a 454 under the hood and a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission. So really nice for cruising. You can get out on the highway with this one. You got plenty of gearing there. The motor's all done up. The suspension's all done up to like pro touring. It's got a TCI Quadrolink out back, adjustable coilovers, lots of tubular parts, and the same thing with the front. Tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers. The list just goes on and on. You guys really got to jump on the website and look at all the specifics on it, because there's no way I'm going to be able to go over it. The motor's got plenty of performance upgrades, including aluminum heads, long tube headers, HEI ignition. You can see we got a custom panel up here with all the autometer gauges. It has TCI high back bucket seats, custom rear seat, also with center console and cup holders. Also has air conditioning, which is on and running right now. That's a vintage air system, power steering, and Willwood 4-wheel disc power brakes. It's really done up. It's a really nice car. I've had a chance to drive it around the block, and I think somebody's really gonna like this car. So our shop went through it. They did go ahead and fix several things, but just minor stuff like lube the window tracks or rewired the taillights, some things like that. But for right now, let's see what she's got. All right, let's bump it into sixth here. I really like this one. That motor runs smooth. Let's see here. We're at 55 miles per hour and we're at like 1200 RPM. So you guys can definitely get on the highway, cruise this one, no problem. It's got a lot of suspension upgrades, set up very nicely. Look at that, nice and straight down the road. Again, all the shocks and everything like that are adjustable, so you can kind of change the ride height. I'm not hearing any problems as far as rubbing or anything like that. It's just a really nicely dialed in setup car. Like I said, the shop did go through it. They just did minor things to it that were kind of just tweaking what was already there. So it is very much a nicely put together car, and somebody's really going to have a lot of fun driving it, and that's what you should do with this one. It's a great experience for somebody. Contact our sales department. They'll be more than happy to help you arrange a test drive on this car or any of the other cars. But with that said, just contact us in advance, and they'll be more than happy to help you with that. We highly recommend it. It's a heck of a lot of fun, and then you get to, of course, touch and feel everything that is here. Oh, I also forgot tilt column right there too. Really nice other option. So check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.